Hello and welcome to introductory video for DAX language. In this section, we will be learning about DAX language fundamentals. So let us start briefly on this. Now, first of all, DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression and it's a functional language, which means calculations primarily use functions to generate results. There are 200 plus DAX functions, out of which 71 came straight out of Excel's functional library. DAX has its roots in Excel expressions and it inherits a similar syntax and functional approach, but it also extends its scope in order to handle calculations on a data stored in multiple tables. So there are parts of DAX that are very similar to what you already know in Excel. A wide variety of functions are provided to help with arithmetic, string manipulation, date and time handling, and many more. DAX functions use parameters as input. Functions can be nested so that the output of one function can be used as an input to another functions. Even though functions can be nested, but you can't create new DAX functions on your own. Each of the DAX functions produces an output with some returning a single value or a scalar value and others returning an entire table. A table can have one or more columns and 0 or more rows. A scalar value can be of any data type which can be handled by DAX. Now DAX functions which returns the table are always nested inside other functions which are generating scalar values. Further, there is IntelliSense available in Power BI. So whenever you are entering any DAX formulas, you will see this. IntelliSense is a form of a predictive text for programmers. Most of the modern programming development environments offer some sort of IntelliSense to help you guide to write your code. As you start typing your calculation, you would notice some suggestions appearing as to what might be a text. So tooltips provide short descriptions about the functions as with the details as to what parameters might be required. IntelliSense helps you ensure you have a symmetry with your brackets, although this can be sometimes confusing if you are not aware with. IntelliSense is smart enough to only offer suggestions valid for the current parameter. It does not offer tables to a parameter that only accepts the columns. Now in this section, we will be covering about DAX syntax, DAX operators and kinds of DAX formulas like calculated columns and measures, evaluation context and much more. So this is a fundamental knowledge for those hoping to master the DAX language. So you should not skip this section and whatever we are going to learn in next few videos. So that's it from my side guys. See you in next video.